Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to make a Thanksgiving Snoopy and Woodstock. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the hat that Snoopy's wearing. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up, and it's just going to kind of curve around, and then just kind of come back like this. Now, starting here, you want to make Snoopy's face. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then I'm just going to go around like this, and then you just want to curve down to here. Then starting right about here, you just want to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve back up like this. And then you want to have a little line that curves in and then connects right here for his neck. Then starting right up here, I'm just going to make a little line like this for his eye. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little circle shape like this for his nose. Now, starting up here, I want to draw his hat. So the first thing you want to do is just make a little square shape right here. And then you want to put a smaller square inside of here. That's going to be like the little buckle for his hat. Then right here, you just draw a line that goes down, and then it kind of angles down like this. And then the top of the hat is just going to go up, over, and then down like this. He's kind of got like a pilgrim hat on. And I'm actually going to make this just a little bit bigger here. There we go. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape for his collar. And then, after you draw that, you're just going to draw a little line that just goes right underneath that and goes out to about here. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to bring it back to here. Then I'm going to make another little square or rectangle shape right there on his wrist. And then right here for his glove that he's wearing, you just draw a line that just kind of curves around for one of his fingers. And then I'm just going to put another one here. One right here. And then one more that comes back up to here. And then I just add 3 little lines on there. Then starting right here, he's got like a long, almost like a cape on. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to put about 3 little bumps on it. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. And it's going to curve up. And then it's just going to match the bumps that we put on top of there, and then it's just going to connect to here. Now for a shirt right here, you just want to draw a line that goes down, and then it comes up, down, and then over. And then you just draw a little curved line right here for the bottom of his body. And then a little line that goes out, and then you just kind of curve around with an oval shape for his foot. And then a little line that goes up here for his leg. Then you just draw a little curved line right here. And then you put another curved line, and then his foot's going to go down and then kind of curve back up here. Then you draw 2 little curved lines here, and 2 little curved lines here for toes. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes out and then down. And then a little line right here for his glove. And then a little line that curves up and then goes around to here. Now we're going to make it look like he's holding a turkey right here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight across. And then it's just going to curve back for a plate. Then I'm just going to make some like little squiggly lines all the way across here just to make it look like there's like some lettuce around it. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down to here for the turkey. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around to here. I'm going to put two little bumps on it for the little bone of the turkey leg. And then a little line that comes down and then curves back here. Then you want to make a little bump right here for the back of the turkey. And then right over here, I'm just going to put a little bump and then a line down for the other leg. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines onto the turkey. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to make woodstock on here. So, to draw woodstock, I'm going to start right here. Actually, we'll start up here. Now we'll put him down here so it looks like he's walking. So I'm going to put him right down here to make it look like he's walking. So to draw this, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up. And then it's going to come back down like this. And then I'm going to draw a little straight line right here. And I'm going to turn this into a long, skinny rectangle. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down like this. And I'm going to make one little line that goes out. And I'm going to draw a little oval shape for his foot that just kind of comes back there. Then I make a little line right here, and then I'm going to do a little curved line with an oval for his other foot. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves out for his tail. And then I'm going to just draw a little line that just kind of curves up to here. And then you just want to add a couple little lines right here for his little feathers. And then I'm just going to add a little line right down here for his wing. Then up here, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines for his feathers. And then I'm going to make a nice big tall pointy oval shape like this to make it look like he has a little feather on in his hat or his little headband. Then you just want to make a line that goes up and then put a couple little V's on it. Then right here I'm going to put a little line for his eye. And then I'm going to make a little smiley face like this. And then right here, I'm going to add a little smiley face onto Snoopy as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Thanksgiving Snoopy and Woodstock. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.